that our lights are back on, and that all of our neighbors are very excited about that.
I had a very positive experience with my electricity in PUB these past few days that it's been so unbearably cold for us.
Thank you very much to all the employees. I know you're working tirelessly, and we appreciate that. So thank you.
I'm very pleased, and a great shout out to all the PUB employees who are out there doing the very best that they could to get us back on.